Mahs Management Airport Handling Solutions. Mahs Cabin is a system designed for the management and control of aircraft cleaning and resupplying. Connected to airports and airlines in real time, the system obtains flight information to easily and efficiently allocate the services required for each aircraft. Mahs Cabin is designed to streamline processes by recording the duration of each task and locating operators to optimize available resources. It allows a fluid communication, achieving a flexible operation that enables services to be adapted to unforeseen requirements. Mahs Cabin collects accurate data from each operation and generates a report automatically. It has become a crucial tool for reducing the number of services performed but not billed, as well as notably lowering penalty fees. Mahs Management Airport Handling Solutions.